Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying what's filling C, so you know what to remove and why. Open File Explorer and sort by size to find big folders. Once done, run Disk Cleanup or a Disk Analyzer to generate a deletable list. These tools flag temp files, old Windows updates, and recycle bin items. Make sure to create a system restore point and backup personal files to an external drive so you can recover anything removed by mistake. You now remove files safely. First, empty the recycle bin and clear %temp% to reclaim immediate space. Type %temp% in Run and delete contents you recognize. Next, uninstall apps you no longer use through Settings, Apps, or Programs and Features. This frees program files under C/program files. Finally, locate large personal files in Documents, Downloads, and Videos and delete only after confirming backups. This prevents accidental loss and keeps C tidy. You finish by running Disk Cleanup as administrator to remove leftover Windows Update files, then use optimized drives on HDDs or trim on SSDs to maintain performance. If you encounter file access errors, run chkdsk/f or use safe mode to delete locked files. Escalate to unlocker tools only when necessary. If C remains constrained, enable Storage Sense or move large folders to another partition or external disk to prevent future issues and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.